This is Buster. Buster is an 8-year-old neutered Cocker Spaniel. Buster was brought in because he needs a little work on his house training, which should be an easy fix since he is an adult. He lived with a kitty in his previous home and he did really well. He would do great with a house full of kids, and he loves being around other dogs. If you want to meet Buster, come down to the Humane Society. This is Rocky. Rocky is an 8-year-old neutered Cocker Spaniel. Rocky came to the Humane Society because his previous owners moved somewhere where they weren't allowed to have pets. Rocky does well with other dogs. He does best with older kids. Rocky has recently just had a haircut, so if you do take Rocky home, he will need to be groomed on a regular basis. If you want to meet Rocky, come down to the Humane Society. This is Sticker. Sticker is an 11-year-old neutered Chihuahua mix. In Sticker's older age, he's become less tolerable of small kids, and that's why he's at the shelter. He does do well with teenagers, about 16 and up. He's a total lap dog, as you can see. He is housebroken, good with cats, dogs. If you want to meet Sticker, come down to the Humane Society. This is Chance. Chance is a 2-year-old neutered Chihuahua mix. He was a transfer from another shelter, so we don't know much about his history. He is good with other dogs his own size, and as you can see, he's very energetic and social, and he is microchipped as well. If you want to meet Chance, come down to the Humane Society.